Welcome to Automotive-ERA. Today we discuss about G-Wagon, but before started, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, commonly known as the G-Wagon, has received notable updates that enhance its performance, efficiency, and features while preserving its iconic design and off-road capabilities. Exterior updates. While maintaining its signature boxy silhouette, the 2025 G-Class features a redesigned radiator grille with 4 horizontal fins and updated front and rear bumpers. These subtle changes contribute to improved aerodynamics, reducing the drag coefficient from 0.53 to 0.48. While retaining its iconic boxy design, the 2025 G-Class incorporates subtle exterior updates for improved aerodynamics. It continues to offer exceptional off-road prowess with features like permanent all-wheel drive, a 2-speed transfer case, and 3 lockable differentials. A classic squared-off body with bold upright lines. Dimensions. Length, tilt 4,825, might tilt 290 inches. Width, tilt 1,930 mil, 76 inch. Height, tilt 1,970 m.7.780 m. Wheelbase, 2,890 mm. A high ground clearance for off-road performance. Flat side panels and short overhangs for a rugged, timeless look. Color options and customization. Standard colors. Obsidian black. Polar white. Emerald green. Selenite gray. Interior and technology. Enhanced features. The interior now includes a new infotainment setup with the latest MBUX user interface, wireless charging, climate-controlled cup holders, and 2 new 11.6-inch touchscreen units for rear passengers. Additionally, the G550 introduces the transparent hood feature, providing a view under the front of the vehicle to assist during off-road maneuvers. The 2025 G-Class interior combines luxury with advanced technology. Off-road sock pipe provides drivers with essential information for off-road driving, including vehicle positioning, altitude, and steering angle. Transparent hood function utilizes a 360-degree camera to offer a virtual view of obstacles beneath the vehicle, aiding in navigating challenging terrains. Enhanced safety features includes active steering assist and active emergency stop assist, among other advanced safety systems. Engine and performance. Mild hybrid technology. For 2025, the G-Class lineup incorporates a 48-volt mild hybrid system across all variants. The G550, also referred to as G500 in some markets, is now equipped with a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing 443 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. This engine replaces the previous 4-liter V8, offering improved efficiency without compromising performance. AMG G63. The high-performance AMG G63 retains its 4 twin-turbo V8 engine, now enhanced with mild hybrid technology. It delivers 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.5 seconds. An optional AMG active ride control hydraulic suspension system is available for enhanced handling. Engine 3L turbocharged inline-6 with a 48V mild hybrid system. Horsepower 443 HP. Torque 560 Nm, 413 dot. Transmission 9-speed automatic. Drivetrain full-time all-wheel drive. 0 to 500 km/h. 0 to 6.5 seconds. 5. G550. Equipped with a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engine, the G550 produces 443 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and features a 48 volt mild hybrid system to enhance efficiency. MIPAC system. 12.3-inch dual screens, one for infotainment, one for the digital instrument cluster. AI for voice assistant, Hey Mercedes for hands-free control. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Augmented reality navigation. Your entertainment system. To 11.6-inch touchscreen displays. Optional for rear passengers. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensures easy device connectivity. Surround sound system, premium audio with up to 15 speakers. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon features high-end, durable, and functional windows that enhance luxury, security, and off-road capability. Here are the glass and tinting. Lamented acoustic glass reduces road noise and enhances cabin comfort. UV and infrared protection helps keep the interior cool and protects passengers from sun exposure. Privacy glass factory tinted rear and side windows for added security and style. No bulletproof glass available for armored versions. G63 AMG Guard. Power windows. 1 touch up/down standard for all 4 windows. Auto rollover protection. Windows automatically roll down slightly when doors are opened for better sealing. Soft close function. Ensures doors and windows close smoothly without extra force. Headlights. Standard LED high-performance headlights. OPA provides bright and energy-efficient illumination. Adaptive beam control adjusts brightness based on surroundings. Optional digital lights system, AMG and high-end trims. Adaptive matrix LED technology for precise light control. Projects symbols onto the road, e.g. warning signs, lane guidance. OMT glare function prevents blinding oncoming traffic. Works with navigation to pre-adjust lighting for turns. Daytime running lights, DRLs. Signature circular LED rings around the headlights. OT automatically adjusts brightness based on ambient light. Tail lights and rear lighting. Full LED. Tail. Sleek vertical design with high visibility. Sequential turn signals on AMG models. Fog lights. Increases visibility in low visibility conditions. Third brake light. Mounted on the rear spare tire cover for better visibility. Off-road package wheels. 18 minus speedlock capable wheels with all-terrain tires. The G500 and electric wheels. OARO optimized 20-inch wheels for improved efficiency. Special edition and off-road variants. 4x42 edition. Higher ground clearance, raised suspension, and portal axles. Wide carbon fiber fenders and roof LED lights. P500 AM. Slightly revised grille with an illuminated Mercedes beanies star. Aerodynamically optimized front and rear bumpers. The 2025 Mercedes B-Wagon lineup in the United States offers several models, each with distinct features and pricing. G550, starting at $143,000, and AMG G63, priced from $179,000. B500 and E. This plug-in hybrid variant starts at $183,305. AMG G63. The high-performance model is priced at $186,100. For the most accurate and current pricing, it's advisable to contact a local Mercedes-Benz dealership.